So dancehall, great things happening in a dancehall. You have one upcoming artist named Ranirastaciti. Ranirastaciti, the man hot people. The man been a drop a lot of real motivational, powerful songs. And the man a put in a lot of work. He have some songs booming. Paul, One Day, Sunrise. The youth are just different, the people. The youth are in voice different. Go check him out on YouTube, my people. Check out Ranirastaciti.
Sure, last night many are falling. Very happy I woke this morning. Girl pretty like flowers in the garden. There's so much to see, so much to learn. I love my life cause I know what is right. Now I worry about my problem. Who me? And I with them used to judge like Judy. Dogs say I'm booming, booming. Now my life